Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Also I want to welcome the students of class 10th at CBSE syllabus and the chapter in science, that is chemical reaction and chemical equations. In part 1 video, first video, I told about what is meant by chemical reaction and what are the characteristics of chemical reactions. In part 2, I have explained the type of chemical reaction where how to write the equation with the help of formula. And part 3, what is meant by balance and unbalanced equation, how to make balance equation. And now it is part 4, types of chemical reaction, and here we will see first combination. There are so many types of chemical reaction and one of them is combination, which is very important, also very simple also. And what happens in a chemical reaction? In a chemical reaction, you can see the atoms of one element do not change to other atoms of other. That means atoms of hydrogen and oxygen in product side never change to nitrogen, carbon or sodium. Only hydrogen, oxygen present in reactant side. That means in product also only represent that hydrogen and oxygen, whether in the different forms of the compound. Now second one, what happens in the reaction? This is the reactant and this is the product. This part is reactant and this part is product. In reactant you can see involve the breaking of bonds. Here the bonds are breaking, and that is why a new compound is formed in the right hand side, that is in product side. That means here what happens? Making a bond takes place. Here breaking a bond takes place. Where breaking a bond takes place in reactant, making a bond takes place in product. Then what are the types? First you will see there are so many types. First you will see combination reaction. Here what mean by combination? Simply English meaning combine. Then who will combine? Two or more substance will combine. What is that substance? Whether it elements or compounds. Elements, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, like this, and compounds, water, ammonia, like these compounds. So two or more substance, whether they are elements or compounds, they combine and to form a single product. Mind it, the product side should be a single product. Reactant side two or more, maybe two or more. So here this is the meaning of combination reaction. Two or more elements or compounds they will combine and to form a single product, and that is the combination. Example, see here CaO. What is CaO? This is called calcium oxide. This is -2, this is +2. So the formula is CaO, and now it is known as quicklime. Quicklime in commercial name, whereas actually calcium oxide. When it is added to water, it produces calcium hydroxide, a large amount of heat. And now see the whitewashing it is used, and so it is called combination reaction. See, I have written the word heat plus heat. What is white written plus heat, I will tell later. And if it is dry condition, that is called slake lime. If the calcium hydroxide in dry condition, that is called slake lime. Second example, carbon plus oxygen. Carbon is solid, oxygen is gas. I told already, when the gases are there, they are represented by diatomic molecules. So it is CO2. Here also some heat produced in what hydrogen plus oxygen, water. See, here so many reaction there in combination named as combination reaction. Almost all combination reaction you can find a single product is formed, but here also some heat is produced, some energy is produced. That is why here other word is there, that is known as exothermic reaction. So I told almost all combination reaction where heat is produced, that is called exothermic. That means simply you can say in reaction where heat is produced, and that is called exothermic reaction. You should feel heat and that is exothermic reaction. CH4, that is methane, CH4 methane plus oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide, water and heat. See, heat is written, so here heat is produced. Magnesium plus oxygen, it bonds with good flame and also heat is produced. Similarly, you can find where heat is written. Heat is written means in product side, heat is plus heat is written mean heat is produced. That means it is an exothermic reaction. And example also, very good example, respiration. You know, respiration is also that is known as exothermic reaction. Then why? You know, we are getting energy from food. When food is digested in our stomach, what happens? Lastly, the carbohydrate lastly changes to glucose. Now, what is the purpose of glucose? The glucose will combine with oxygen. From where oxygen? That in respiration, what we take oxygen, that will combine with the glucose. Then that gives one type of exothermic reaction where carbon dioxide, water and energy is produced. That energy is very important, which gives energy to our body, to our cell, that much. So what is meaning respiration? Respiration means the what you intake oxygen, that is helpful for the breaking the molecule of glucose and C6H12O6, sorry, C6H12O6. So C6H12O6 glucose, that will break and gives carbon dioxide, that what we exhale, and energy what we are using in our body. Then you know, also very simple example, we are putting vegetable materials in our dustbin. After 2 or 3 days, you see that vegetable materials decompose and lastly it changes to compost. At that time, if you touch the outer side of the dustbin, you will feel heat. That means in a dustbin, after 4-5 days, the vegetable material decomposed and gives compost, and at that time the energy is produced in the form of heat. You feel heat outer of the dustbin. That means this is also one exothermic reaction. I hope it is clear. Types of chemical reaction: first one is combination reaction, where 2 or more substances combine to form a single product. The substance may be element or compound. And next is your example. So many examples are there. It is observed that almost all combination reaction, heat is produced. In reaction where heat is produced, that is called specially exothermic reaction. And now here see, these are the example. Methane plus oxygen gives heat, and here also heat, and also respiration, that is very important, as known as exothermic reaction, where the glucose what is obtained from our food materials, carbohydrate, and with help of oxygen it changes to carbon dioxide, water and energy. So, and decomposition of vegetable matter, you write, here is not visible clearly, so again I want to write C6H12O6. So, decomposition of vegetable matter in a dustbin, you can find after a few days it will become compost. And now what happen, if you see outer side of the dustbin, you find it is heat, and so it proves that it is an exothermic reaction. I hope I think it is clear to you. And one request to all, first of all you read part 1, part 2, part 3, then only part 4 becomes easy. And you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and share and like also, so that I can produce more videos for 10th class science, especially chemistry. Thanks.